Okay, guys, so this class is going to be an exercise about conditionals. I'm going to give you the chance to try to choose the correct option. Please read the sentences very well and try to remember the four rules about conditionals. The zero conditional, the first conditional, the second conditional, and the third conditional. Sentence number one, I can't let you go there. If you, the last train, where, question mark. A, miss, will you stay? B, missed, would you stay? C, miss, do you stay? What is the correct multiple choice? Exactly. The correct multiple choice is A. Because here I'm using the simple present tense, I have to say, I can't let you go there if you miss the last train. Where will you stay? So I have to use the first conditional exactly. Now, sentence number two. If you 5 and 6, you 11. A, added will get. B, added would get. C, add get. What is the correct multiple choice? Exactly. The correct multiple choice is C. So notice, guys, I'm talking about something fixed all the time. If you want to add 5 to 6, the result is 11. This is something fixed, something cannot be changed. So this is why I have to use it with the zero conditional, with simple present and simple present. So if you add 5 and 6, you get 11 all the time. So this is why I have to use the zero conditional. Okay, now let me show you sentence number three. Sentence number three is saying, if I in Italy, I pizza every day, well, you would be very fat then. A, will eat. B, were, would eat. C, eat. What is the correct multiple choice? Exactly, the correct multiple choice is B. I'm talking about something which is unreal. And because I'm talking about something which is unreal, I have to use the second conditional. And I told you that if you are talking about something which is unreal, you have to use were, the verb to be were, with all the pronouns and nouns, with I, you, we, they, he, she, it, even the singular noun and the plural noun. So if I were in Italy, I'm not in Italy, absolutely. Unreal thing. I would eat pizza every day. I would eat pizza every day. Now, sentence number four is saying if your blood pressure high, salt as little as possible. A is will it. B will be it. C is it. Exactly. The answer is C. So notice, guys, because I'm talking about a fact, I have to use the zero conditional, which is simple present in the if clause and simple present in the main clause. So if your blood pressure is high, I have to say eat salt as little as possible. Exactly. So I have to use the zero conditional. Now, sentence number five is saying, it's the rush hour in traffic now. If the traffic really bad, you the tram to go home. A is can take. B will be can take. C was could take. Exactly. So the answer is A. So because I'm talking about something in general, I have to use the first conditional, and the first conditional I have to use simple present, can or will. You can use will in the main clause. So I have to say if the traffic is really bad, you will or take you can take or you will take the tram to go home. So please be careful. I use the first conditional because I'm talking in general. Now, six is saying, you less if you to lose weight. A, will eat, wanted. B, should eat, want. C, eat, want. What is the correct multiple choice? Exactly. I have to select C because, guys, again, this is a fact. And because this is a fact, I have to use the zero conditional, which is again simple present plus simple present. So if you eat less, okay, sorry, you eat less if you want to lose weight. So I have to use the zero conditional. Now, seven. I don't think Mike will agree with this if we, the project immediately. A, agrees, will start. B, agreed, would start. C, agree, start. This is not a fact. What is the correct multiple choice? Exactly. So the correct multiple choice is A. I have to say if he agrees with us, he will or we will start the project immediately. So notice that this is a general truth, and because this is a general truth, not a fact, I have to use the first conditional, which is about simple present in the if clause, and will or maybe can or shall plus verb zero or infinitive in the main clause exactly. Now, sentence number eight is saying there are lots of possibilities to do on London. If I in London, I Buckingham Palace first. A. Will visit. B. Visit. C. Where would visit. What is the correct multiple choice? Exactly. The correct multiple choice is C. So because this is a wish, something cannot really be happened. I have to use the second conditional. So I have to say if I were in London. Absolutely, I'm not in London. I would, sorry, visit Buckingham Palace first. And I told you guys with all pronouns, you have to use were. Absolutely, because I'm talking about a wish. Okay? Wish. So now let me show you the sentence number nine, which is saying. Now, nine is saying, if you, sorry, nine, if an ambulance, you can't go as fast as an ambulance to the hospital. A, was, will call. B, were, would call. C, will call. What is the correct multiple choice? Amazing. The correct multiple choice is B. So because now I'm talking about a wish. I'm talking about something which is unreal. So if I were you, absolutely I'm not you. So if I were you, okay, I would call an ambulance. Please be careful. 10. If you mail, you out. I'll check it. Now A, have finished. Absolutely present perfect. Go. B, have finished. May go. C, finished. Would go. What is the correct multiple choice? Exactly, the correct multiple choice is C. By the way, in conditionals, I don't have the present perfect tense. I have the past perfect tense, but this rule is the third rule in conditionals. So I have to say, if you finished your meal, you would go out. I will check it. So this is it. Please be careful about conditionals because this lesson is one of the most important lessons in English language. Absolutely, I need it in writing and in speaking. Thank you for watching.